If you're looking for the best duffel bag, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular, Shaq's Travel Duffel Express Weekender Bag. Rocking in at under $30, this is one of the most popular and capable duffel bags on the market today. Made from durable dragon nylon, this duffel will take you anywhere you want to go. You'll have no trouble stashing all your gear in here as there's plenty of space. The main compartment is great for all your usual clothing and kit, but there are hidden extras that'll make you grin with delight. The shoe pouch, for example, is perfect for keeping smelly sneakers or wet flip-flops away from the rest of your gear, while the large internal hanging pouch will keep your passport, travel documents, and anything else you hold dear safe and sound on the go. Number 2. Hexside Access 45-liter Duffel Bag, Travel Duffel Bag. Wonder's Hexside Access Travel Duffel Bag is the best duffel bag out there, and nothing else can compare. It was designed for any traveler and has unique storage compartments inside and out. There are compartments for literally everything: shoes, computer, keys, clothes, cameras, and anything else you want to pack into this 45-liter duffel bag. The Hexside has 2 slots built into the side of the bag designed to house 2 separately sold camera cube inserts. Everything about the Wondered Hexside Access Travel Duffel Bag is beautifully engineered, from its innovative design and overall weather resistance to its ample storage and clamshell opening. This pack was made by experienced travelers who understand the importance of a great duffel bag. Number 3. Yeti Panga Airtight Waterproof and Submersible Bag. From the makers of possibly the very best coolers ever made, comes this super cool duffel bag that's designed to protect your belongings from virtually anything. The Panga comes in 50, 75, and 100-liter versions, but in this article we'll be looking at the smallest of the bunch, the 50-liter. Claiming to be 100% dry duffel, your gear should remain bone dry no matter how wet the weather gets. Thick skin shell is made from high-density, high-quality nylon, and the thick TPU laminate, making it both puncture and abrasion resistant and perfectly able to withstand the bumps and knocks of international travel. Number 4. Osprey Unisex UL Stuff Duffel Bag. The Osprey's ultralight stuff is a super lightweight duffel bag that's as simple as they come. Made out of nylon ripstop, the UL stuff can handle all of your basic day-to-day needs at a meager price, and it's not bulky. The comfy padded shoulder straps help when you need to throw your bag over your shoulder, plus the bag zipper is quick and won't get stuck during those moments. It also comes with a great warranty. The company will repair any damaged or defective bag free of charge. It doesn't matter when it was purchased, and if they can't fix it, they'll replace it. Number 5. Osprey Packs Transporter 40 Travel Duffel Bag. The Transporter from Osprey is available in 4 different sizes: 40, 65, 95, and 130 liters. In this article, we're concentrating on the 40-liter version. Compact on the outside but incredibly roomy on the inside, the Tardy-like duffel bag doubles as a backpack with its yoked shoulder harness. Sling it over your back for long walks and adventures, then tuck that strap back in its very own storage pocket when you no longer need it. It's clever additions like this that are synonymous with the Osprey brand, and ones that many travelers love and actively look for. Made from tough 0.2mm TPU laminated 800D nylon, this beauty is weather resistant and incredibly capable of withstanding the roughest of journeys. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.